Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the story shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The KLE Group, which controls a minority stake in Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records, has transferred its restaurant operations to UBT&R Restaurant Systems, which trades as Fran Jam. UBT&R Restaurant Systems now manages the Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records locations in Kingston and Montego Bay. The KLE Group reported net loss of $25.7 million during the year ended December 31, 2024. This wiped out KLE's equity base of $10.6 million, leaving it with net equity of $14.2 million. The right to call a particular brand of rum Jamaican is now a court matter. The controversy stems from amendments to the geographical indication designation for Jamaica rum, which now prohibits aging the spirit overseas. The Spirits Pool Association, representing 6 major distilleries, including Appleton and Hampden Estate, supports the change, arguing it will boost global recognition and safeguard Jamaican rum's premium status in key markets like the EU and the US. But National Rums of Jamaica, which owns Long Pond and the majority stake in Clarendon, is fighting back. The company, partially owned by French spirits firm Maison Ferrand, relies on bulk exports for overseas aging, a practice now banned under the new rules. With NRJ appealing the decision, the battle over Jamaican rum's identity heads to a crucial hearing on April 28 in the Supreme Court. Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Byles has observed that the challenge for the Jamaican economy is now to move from stability to growth. Mr. Byles, speaking at the recent Caribbean Macroeconomic Conference attended by RGI News, said the country weathered the shocks of COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war well, but is now time to transition to growth. The current projection is for annual average rates of real gross domestic product growth of 1% per annum during the 4-year period 2025 to 2029, after the economy declined during the 3rd and 4th quarters of the last calendar year. For the trading period ending March 24, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 11,201,451 units traded, represented 26.68% of market sales volume. Real estate developer and pharmaceutical distributor Fontana Limited, with 8,699,555 units traded, representing 20.72% of market sales volume. Toll road provider Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, with 3,776,999 units traded, representing 8.99% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 24, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $60.66 million purchased and US $57.17 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.59 per dollar, selling the US at $157.81 and buying the US at $156.22. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 87 cents per transaction, with selling at $110.22 and buying at $109.35. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.25 in profits, with selling at $202.99 and buying at $200.74. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit isn't just about fixing your credit score. It's about how you approach the process. Winning strategies for proactive people include negotiating lower interest rates to reduce overall debt, using a credit building loan or secured credit card to boost your score, keeping credit utilization below 30% or even better, under 10%. Winning strategies for reactive people, they can consider tackle past due accounts first to stop further damage. Then set up reminders for payments to avoid missing deadlines. And then think about using a secured credit card if past mistakes lead to closed accounts. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Janice Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.